On this episode of the AI Unraveled show, we'll explore a topic that might sound like science fiction but is rapidly becoming a reality. Join us as we explore the top 10 industries that artificial intelligence, AI, is set to revolutionize and in some cases, even replace. Number 1. Customer service. There will be a profound shift in the landscape of customer service roles as AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants emerge as the vanguard of innovation, set to disrupt the industry. AI chatbots possess an extraordinary ability to comprehend diverse customer inquiries and support needs thanks to their advanced natural language processing (NLP) algorithms. From tackling routine FAQs to swiftly addressing order status inquiries and basic troubleshooting, AI chatbots masterfully handle repetitive tasks with unrivaled efficiency. Embracing AI chatbots yields a plethora of advantages over human agents. With their unwavering 24/7 availability, these virtual assistants ensure instant responses, significantly curtailing customer wait times. Through continuous learning from each interaction, AI chatbots continually refine their responses, consistently elevating the overall customer experience to unprecedented heights. While handling emotionally sensitive or complex issues may still necessitate human agents, AI can seamlessly augment their capabilities by providing valuable information and suggestions during interactions, expediting resolutions, and elevating customer satisfaction. Number 2. Data processing. Data processing tasks are often repetitive and time-consuming, making them ideal candidates for AI automation. AI algorithms can be trained to recognize patterns in data and perform accurate data entry tasks with minimal errors. Optical character recognition (OCR) technology allows AI to extract data from scanned documents, eliminating the need for manual entry. Furthermore, AI can streamline data processing by automating data cleaning, validation, and analysis. Machine learning algorithms can identify anomalies and patterns in large datasets, enabling businesses to make data-driven decisions faster and more accurately. By automating data processing, companies can reduce operational costs, eliminate human errors, and allocate their workforce to more strategic tasks, enhancing overall productivity. Number 3. Retail. AI is reshaping the retail industry by personalizing customer experiences and optimizing business operations. AI-powered recommendation systems analyze customer behavior and preferences to offer personalized product recommendations, increasing the likelihood of sales. These systems leverage data from past purchases, browsing history, and social media interactions to understand individual preferences better. Cashierless stores are another AI-driven innovation in retail. By using computer vision and sensor technologies, these stores can automatically detect items added to a customer's cart and charge them accordingly, eliminating the need for traditional checkout counters and cashiers. Additionally, AI-driven inventory management systems can optimize stock levels, reducing overstocking or stockouts. This ensures that retailers maintain the right amount of inventory, minimizing costs and maximizing profits. Number 4. Banking and finance. The banking and finance industry is undergoing a transformation thanks to AI's ability to automate numerous processes and elevate decision-making capabilities. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are deployed by banks to assist customers with accounting queries, transaction history, and even financial advice. Fraud detection and risk assessment are crucial aspects of the financial sector where AI plays a significant role. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast amounts of transaction data in real time, flagging suspicious activities and potentially fraudulent transactions. Algorithmic trading is another area where AI has had a substantial impact. AI-powered trading systems analyze market data, news, and historical trends to identify profitable trading opportunities and execute trades at high speeds. AI-driven credit scoring models can assess borrowers' creditworthiness more accurately, leading to better loan approval decisions and reduced default rates. Number 5. Manufacturing. In the manufacturing industry, AI-powered robotics and automation are driving a powerful shift, increasing production efficiency and flexibility to new heights. Robots equipped with AI algorithms can handle repetitive and physically demanding tasks with precision and consistency, reducing the risk of errors and workplace accidents. Computer vision allows AI-powered robots to recognize and inspect products during the manufacturing process, ensuring quality control and identifying defects more efficiently than manual inspection. Moreover, AI can optimize production schedules and resource allocation, minimizing downtime and maximizing throughput. Predictive maintenance powered by AI can anticipate machinery breakdowns, enabling proactive maintenance to avoid costly unplanned downtime. Number 6, transportation and logistics. AI is disrupting the transportation and logistics sector through autonomous vehicles and smart routing systems. Self-driving vehicles powered by AI algorithms and advanced sensors can navigate roads, follow traffic rules, and transport goods without human intervention. This technology has the potential to disrupt long-haul trucking and last-mile delivery services. AI-driven route optimization systems analyze real-time traffic data, weather conditions, and delivery constraints to determine the most efficient routes for delivery vehicles. By reducing travel time and fuel consumption, these systems can save costs and decrease the environmental impact of transportation. Additionally, AI can enhance logistics operations by optimizing warehouse management, order fulfillment, and inventory control. Robotics and automation powered by AI can facilitate warehouse tasks such as order picking, packing, and sorting, leading to faster and more accurate order processing. Number 7, healthcare. AI is poised to bring momentous changes to healthcare by enhancing diagnostics, drug discovery, and patient care. AI-driven diagnostic systems can analyze medical imaging data such as X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans to detect anomalies and assist radiologists in making accurate diagnoses. In drug discovery, AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of genomic, proteomic, and chemical data to identify potential drug candidates. This accelerates the drug development process and increases the chances of finding effective treatments for various diseases. AI-powered virtual health assistants can provide personalized health advice, remind patients to take medication, and monitor chronic conditions, improving patient outcomes and reducing healthcare costs. Moreover, AI can analyze electronic health records to identify patterns and trends, helping healthcare providers make more informed decisions and improve patient outcomes. Number 8, legal services. The legal industry is undergoing a significant change as AI automates tasks like legal research, contract analysis, and document review. AI-powered legal research platforms can quickly scan through vast amounts of case law and legal documents to find relevant information for lawyers and legal professionals. Natural language processing, NLP algorithms, enable AI to comprehend legal contracts and agreements, identifying key terms, clauses, and potential risks or inconsistencies. Additionally, AI-driven e-discovery tools assist legal teams in managing large volumes of electronic documents during litigation, making the process more efficient and cost-effective. While AI is becoming increasingly proficient in these tasks, it is essential to note that human legal expertise and judgment remain vital in complex legal matters, strategy formulation, and court representation. Number 9, agriculture. AI is orchestrating an agricultural metamorphosis, introducing precision farming techniques and granting life to autonomous agricultural machinery. AI-powered drones and satellite imagery can monitor crop health, identify areas of concern, and optimize irrigation and fertilization schedules. Machine learning algorithms analyze data from soil samples, weather patterns, and historical crop yields to provide farmers with predictive insights, enabling them to make data-driven decisions and improve productivity. Autonomous agricultural machinery such as tractors and harvesters equipped with AI algorithms can operate with minimal human intervention, reducing labor requirements and increasing operational efficiency. Furthermore, AI-driven agricultural robots can perform tasks like planting, weeding, and harvesting, which were traditionally labor-intensive, resulting in reduced labor costs and increased yields. Number 10. Content creation. In an awe-inspiring wave of innovation, AI is poised to completely revolutionize the content creation industry. With its ability to rapidly analyze vast troves of data and discern patterns, AI is becoming an unrivaled force in generating high-quality and engaging content. From writing captivating articles and stories to crafting persuasive marketing campaigns, AI's creative prowess knows no bounds. Gone are the days of laborious manual content creation. AI's seamless integration of natural language processing and machine learning empowers it to churn out content that rivals human craftsmanship. As AI's capabilities continue to evolve, it will not only save time and resources, but also elevate the standard of content to unprecedented heights, ushering in a new era of innovation and limitless possibilities. As we reach the end of this eye-opening journey through the top 10 industries set to be revolutionized by artificial intelligence, it is impossible not to be swept away by the magnitude of change that lies ahead. The world as we know it is on the cusp of an awe-inspiring transformation. AI's relentless pursuit of progress is poised to break down barriers, shatter limitations, and catapult us into a future where the boundaries of human potential are redefined. While some jobs may be displaced, new opportunities will undoubtedly emerge. By embracing AI technology and upskilling ourselves to harness its potential, we can navigate these changes and steer our careers towards innovative horizons. Thank you for joining us on this insightful exploration. Like, share, and subscribe to stay connected as we dig deeper into the ever-evolving landscape of AI and its impact on our world.